It hasn't gone up a lot?
Right?
Well, I mean, gold.
I think it's undervalued for its actual worth.
Yeah, gold. So gold broke September 2011, it broke 1900, and then it basically dropped for about 5 or 6 years. And then once the pandemic hit, it started to kind of rise again. So it's the new floor for gold will be 2000. That's the next floor. Once it hits there, after a cycle, I think it'll stay there. So that's the next floor for gold. But this inflation numbers that are coming out, I mean, that's the thing that people don't understand. If the government's telling us that there's almost 5% inflation, that means there's 15% inflation. Because they've been telling us there's 2%, and it's been closer to 7 or 8%. And you don't have to ask me. I mean, there's economists, there's a person, John Williams from shadowstats.com, who's a Dartmouth graduated economist who's been studying this for 40 years. He's been saying inflation is 8 to 12% for the last few years every month. Because he just says they just skew the numbers. They just pull out different parts of the CPI that don't fit their model. So I think, you know, if the government's saying 5% last month, we're probably looking at 15% inflation, real true numbers. As long as those numbers continue with inflation, then you want to be in assets that have a limited supply. That's the key right now. Colin Plume, President and CEO of Noble Gold Investments. If you want to learn more about what we do and get our free gold guide and our updates, we send weekly updates. You want to get videos, a lot of free information. Check out noblegoldinvestments.com, or you can call us and we can get you in the system. You can also talk to a live person here in the United States, 877-646-5347.